Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to do my live price prediction here for Bitcoin and technical analysis. Bitcoin is about to decide if we're going up or if we're going down. Recently, we've had two major trades here on Bera and Baby or well Babylon. Two massive shorts making massive amounts of money here in combination with a custom indicator that we're using. I'm going to do the same process here for Bitcoin, but first I want to let you guys know that I'm not using the news or anything like that here to analyze Bitcoin. I think this is just bullshit. This is all noise. Looking at our trend trading indicator here, we can see that Bitcoin had a fake out right here, and it looks like it's going to have another fake out. We have a very strong trend line here that I've already put down, and we have the support and resistance level here. If we look at the moments or well the points where it's actually touching, it's around 88k. So I'll put it right here, and this is kind of where Bitcoin can move in between. The thing that's interesting here is that Bitcoin has been trying to break out so many times, but it's failed. It failed once, twice, a third time, a fourth time, and now a fifth time it actually broke through. However, it has not broken through the 88k support and resistance level right here, and it's just still moving sideways. So what's going to happen next here for Bitcoin? I think in order to get ahead here, we need to have a look on the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, it's safe to say that the market is actually fairly volatile, and it could be pretty difficult to trade on the 4-hour time frame. However, if you are fast with your trades and don't let your stop loss get in the way from the volatility, then you could possibly make some good trades here. However, we also get a glimpse into the future here of how the daily time frame will basically project into the future, because we can see the graph on the 4-hour time frame and the trend that it's developing into. It almost looks like a double top pattern here, which is fun because I still think that's just noise. Yes, you can use it for technical analysis, but what if you get a double top and then it breaks out and it's no longer a double top? I think it's way better for us to use the indicator here to form a trend. It's still in an uptrend, but it's just so close. If it dips a little bit more or just moves a little bit more sideways, I think it will confirm a downtrend on the 4-hour time frame. So we have a very interesting moment here, and kind of a little bit of a support and resistance level here on 83k. We could put it out here, but does it matter that much? Not really. We're still gonna follow the indicator. So if it breaks below this one, then it could be heading to break below the actual trend line here as well. And at this moment, we're kind of realizing that we have multiple scenarios on how it could play out. If it falls below this one, it will test the next level. If it forms a downtrend on the 4-hour time frame, it's pretty much guaranteed that it's going to be a fake out on the daily time frame as well, and we could be in for a long other downtrend. This is how I would place my bet and my price prediction. If it falls below the 83k support and resistance level right here, I think it will test this trend line, and depending on the amount of days that we have moved sideways, for example, if we move 10 days, I think we could be seeing the 78k level being tested. And if we move even further, we could be seeing all the way down to the 75k level being tested. If it falls below this trend line here, before it touches the 75k support and resistance level, I think it's just gonna head straight for the 75k support and resistance level, forming something similar to what we have here. A very fast dip, a very nasty dip, but absolutely massive for the two shorts that we have right now. I'll update you guys here on my trades. You'll see on X I post basically the percentages that we're making and how massive these trades are. Other than that, I'll do my absolute best to keep you guys up to date, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.